Have you ever heard of AI images? This revolutionary technology is changing the game in many industries and creating tremendous earning opportunities for those who know how to leverage it. In this video, we'll explore the world of AI images and show you how to start making big money using it.
Wow, Photo AI sounds like an excellent and unique tool. I can understand why you're excited to tell your friends about it. Let me tell you a bit more about what makes Photo AI stand out. Photo AI uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms to create new images based on your 10 photos. This means you can get a wide variety of pictures based on your style and preferences. The photos are not just randomly generated, they are generated based on the features and patterns the AI has learned from your photos. And the best part is that the process is speedy and efficient. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order. That's much faster than scheduling a photo shoot and waiting for the photos to be processed. And let's talk about the different available styles. With Photo AI, you can choose from a wide range of styles, including professional, trout, Polaroid, pop, royal, movie, celebrity, and man packages. There's something for everyone, whether you want a classic professional look, a fun and quickie Polaroid style, or a pop culture-inspired meme. And the pricing is affordable too. With packages starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a deal on high quality. You can get a great deal on high-quality AI-generated images. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try out one of the unique photo packs, such as the LinkedIn pack, Tinder pack, Celebrity pack, or Man pack. These packs are priced from $19 to $25 each, allowing you to choose a specific background and get images tailored to your needs. It's also worth noting that Photo AI is currently in beta testing, which means that the technology is still experimental and there is a possibility of unexpected results and artifacts. However, the site is constantly updating its resources, and they are working to improve the processing times, which may be a little longer due to higher than normal demand. One thing that sets Photo AI apart from other photo editing tools is that it's powered by artificial intelligence. This means it can analyze your photos and create new images based on what it has learned. This gives you a vast variety of images to choose from, all of which are based on your style and preferences. Another advantage of using Photo AI is the speed and efficiency of the process. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order, which is a lot faster than traditional photo studios. And with pricing starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a great deal on high-quality images that are perfect for your needs. Of course, as with any technology, still in the experimental stage, there may be some unexpected results and artifacts. However, the Photo AI team is constantly updating its resources and improving the technology to deliver the best possible results. And if you're not completely satisfied with your images, they offer a risk-free service so that you can feel confident in your purchase. And let's remember the fun aspect of Photo AI. With so many different styles, you can get quirky and fun images or classic and professional ones. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, an avatar, or just some fantastic photos to share with your friends, Photo AI has you covered. So there you have it, a more detailed look at Photo AI and all the fantastic things it offers. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, a unique avatar, or just some fun and quirky images, Photo AI is worth checking out. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect words to describe your product or service? Well, say goodbye to writer's block forever with Jot. This AI-powered copywriting tool takes the hassle out of writing ad copy. With its cutting-edge technology based on the OpenAI GPT-3 language model, Jot can quickly generate human-like ad copy from just a single product description. But that's not all. Jot also offers a dashboard that makes managing all your brand links, bookmarks, and copy easy. You can easily edit and update your card copy and even filter your brands to find exactly what you're looking for. Plus, with a handy character counter, smiley face panel, and copy to clipboard feature, you'll have everything you need to create outstanding ad copy in no time. But what sets Jot apart is its pricing. With a 7-day free trial, you can try out Jot risk-free. And with 2 pricing options, Basic and Pro, you can choose the right plan. The Basic gives you 10 copies of cards and 10 brands, while the Pro plan gives you unlimited copies of cards and brands. And that's just the beginning of what Jot can do. The AI-driven platform is constantly evolving and updating to serve the needs of businesses and marketers better everywhere. With its intuitive interface and ease of use, Jot is a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled to come up with the perfect words to sell their product or service. Jot not only saves you time, but it also saves you from the frustration of writer's block and the stress of trying to come up with the perfect words. With Jot, you can generate high-quality ad copy in minutes, freeing up your time to focus on other essential tasks. And with its cutting-edge technology, Jot produces ad copy that's quick and easy and professional and persuasive. Another great thing about Jot is that it's affordable and accessible. With its basic and pro pricing options, you can choose the right plan for you and your budget. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer of a large corporation, Jot is the perfect solution for all your copywriting needs. So why give Jot a try today? Whether you're looking to save time and money or simplify the copywriting process, Jot is the perfect solution. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful AI technology, Jot is the future of copywriting, and it's here to help you take your marketing efforts to the next level. Have you heard about the new AI tool creating similar photos to protect your identity? It's a pretty cool tool that uses advanced AI technology to help people protect their identities online. Here's how it works. You upload a clear photo of your face, and the AI generates a synthetic image that resembles your appearance while preserving your real identity. The AI is trained on Icon's 8 studio photos and uses StarGAN, developed by Karas at AI and NVIDIA, to create the synthetic images. This tool is not only efficient but also secure. It processes the photos in RAM and stores them on your computer, so you don't have to worry about any personal data or pictures being saved or collected for future analysis. And the best part is that it's free for personal use, and licensed options are available for commercial use. The generated images can be used anywhere on the internet, but it's important to remember that they should not be used to impersonate someone or engage in illegal activities. Now, if you're interested in using this tool, here are a few things you should keep in mind. For best results, upload a clear photo of your face looking straight ahead. And if you want to take it a step further, you can collaborate with the generated photos for Headshot plugin to create realistic 3D heads from your photos. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about all the cool places the generated photos have been used. They've been used as avatars in SAP software, featured in exhibitions at the National Museum of New Science and Innovation, and even used as characters in video games like Beyond Humanity Colonies and Space Wreck. And if you're an art lover, you'll be happy to know that the generated photos have even been used as illustrations in a book called The Art of Illusion. The creativity and potential for these synthetic images are genuinely mind-blowing. But let's remember their primary purpose: protecting your identity online. In today's world, where so much of our personal information is shared and accessible through the internet, it's essential to take precautions to protect our identities. With this tool, you can have the peace of mind that your real identity is being kept private, while still giving others an idea of what you look like. The possibilities are truly endless with this AI tool. So if you want to protect your identity while still giving people an idea of what you look like, go ahead and give creating similar photos to protect your identity a try. Have you heard of the new AI-based application called Omniverse Audio 2-Face from NVIDIA? It's a game changer in 3D character animation, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. So what exactly is Audio 2-Face? It's an application that simplifies the animation process for 3D characters, making it easy to match any voiceover or backstory. Whether you're an animator for a game, movie, or just for fun, Audio 2-Face has got you covered. It can be used in real time for interactive applications, or as a traditional character creation tool. And the best part, the results can be run in real time or baked. It's up to you. Audio 2-Face has many features that make it stand out from the rest. This application has got everything from meta-universe applications, data analytics, and healthcare to gaming, creative, and machine learning. With the latest update, the app now includes blending, shape conversion, and export options, making it even more versatile and user-friendly. Now let me tell you how it works. All you have to do is record a soundtrack and enter it into the app. Then sit back and watch as your 3D face comes to life in real time. Yes, you heard that right. You can even create live animations using just your microphone. And the best part is, Audio to Face is capable of processing any language, making it accessible to people from all around the world. But that's not all. Audio to Face gives you the power to focus on any 3D human or face, whether realistic or stylized. With just a few clicks, you can even change characters on the fly, whether human or animal. And if you're working on a scene with multiple personalities, don't worry, Audio to Face can easily handle that too. You can run multiple instances of the app with any number of characters and animate them, all from different soundtracks. And the last but not least, Audio to Face gives you the ability to select and animate your character's emotions in a matter of seconds. The AI network automatically manipulates the movements of your face, eyes, mouth, tongue, and head to match the range of emotions you select in the intensity level you set. It's that simple. Download NVIDIA Omniverse and get started with Audio to Face today. Once the installation is complete, just open the Omniverse launcher, locate Audio to Face under Applications, click Install, then Run. Trust me, you won't regret it. The latest update of the Omniverse Audio to Face app includes blend shape conversion and weight export options. You can now easily export and import from blend shapes for Blender and Epic Games Unreal Engine. You can even create character movements using the appropriate Omniverse connectors. So you're ready to bring your characters to life. In that case, all you need to do is download NVIDIA Omniverse, run the installation, open the Omniverse launcher, locate Omniverse Audio to Face under Applications, click Install, and then run. With the Omniverse Audio to Face app, you'll be able to create stunning 3D character animations that are sure to impress. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Have you heard about Animal AI? It's the fantastic AI tool that allows you to turn your photos into portraits of animals created by artificial intelligence. It's an enjoyable and unique way to showcase your images. So the process is pretty simple. First, you get to choose from 40 different styles of animals, including popular options like cats, dogs, tigers, and unicorns, just to name a few. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even choose the Grinch. Once you've selected, you upload 10-20 images to train the AI. These images should include a mix of close-ups, medium shots, and full shots taken in different lighting conditions and with different facial expressions to get the best results. And the best part? Within 24 hours, you'll receive 120 HD quality animal portraits via email. You can share the link with your friends and family or keep it as a fun surprise. Plus, Animal AI donates all of its profits to reputable wildlife groups, so you're not only getting a fun experience, but also supporting a good cause. When uploading your photos, ensure they are most significant than 512 on 512 pixels and feature only one person. And to avoid any issues, be sure to steer clear of pictures that are nude, black and white, or taken without consent. And keep in mind that the AI-generated portraits may be unpredictable, so no refunds are offered. Animal AI is not only an entertaining tool, but it's also a great way to showcase your creativity and imagination. Imagine having a portrait of yourself as a tiger or unicorn. How cool would that be? The possibilities are truly endless. Another great thing about Animal AI is that you don't need to be an AI or computer science expert to use it. The user interface is simple and intuitive, and the process of uploading photos and receiving your portraits is straightforward. And if you do encounter any issues, the customer support team is always available to help. And as technology advances, the AI used by Animal AI is constantly improving, ensuring that the results you receive will only get better and better. So whether you're looking for a fun way to showcase your photos or simply looking for a unique and creative way to express yourself, Animal AI is the perfect tool for you. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to showcase your photos, head to Animal AI and try it out. All you need to do is agree to the terms of use and then upload your pictures via WeTransfer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other similar service. And with just a one-time payment, you'll be on your way to creating your own animal portraits.